Apple is preparing something big, and if the leaks are true, the upcoming AirPods Pro 3 could completely change the way we think about earbuds. Now, pause for a second and imagine this. Imagine putting on a pair of earbuds that not only give you world-class sound, not only block out all the noise around you, but also monitor your heart rate, track your body temperature, and in the near future, could even translate another language for you in real time. That's not just a small update. That's a revolution in the way we interact with technology every single day. And here's the exciting part. This future might be just days away. Tech analysts, leakers, and insiders are calling the AirPods Pro 3 the most important upgrade since the very first Pro model, and today we're going to explore every detail, every rumor, and every piece of insider information to figure out exactly why this launch could change everything. By the end of this video, you'll understand why so many people are preparing to upgrade, and why Apple's competitors are watching nervously. For years, Apple has been the king of wireless earbuds. If you look around in coffee shops, gyms, on the subway, or in classrooms, chances are you'll see those iconic white stems in people's ears. AirPods have become a cultural symbol, not just a gadget. But let's be real, competition has been catching up. Sony, with its WF series, has been praised for its incredible sound and noise cancellation. Bose, with its quiet comfort line, is still trusted by frequent flyers all over the world. Even Samsung has been pushing forward with the Galaxy Buds lineup. Apple knows this, and that's why the AirPods Pro 3 aren't just a minor refresh. From what we're hearing, they're a massive leap forward, designed to not only stay ahead of the competition, but to redefine what people expect from earbuds in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the design, because while most people assume AirPods will look the same, the small changes really matter. According to multiple sources, the AirPods Pro 3 case is going to get slimmer, sleeker, and cleaner than ever. The physical button you've been pressing for years to pair your AirPods? Gone. In its place, Apple is reportedly adding a capacitive touch sensor, giving the case a futuristic and seamless look. And the LED light that blinks at you when charging? Rumor has it Apple is hiding it beneath the case surface, so it only shines through when active, staying invisible the rest of the time. These little refinements may sound minor on paper, but they add up to a product that feels premium, futuristic, and uniquely Apple. Apple's entire philosophy has always been about the details, the things you don't even notice at first, but that make the product feel magical every time you pick it up. But the real magic happens inside. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to run on a brand new H3 chip. And if you know Apple, you know the chip is everything. The H1 chip made the original AirPods fast and seamless. The H2 chip in AirPods Pro 2 improved sound and noise cancellation dramatically. Now, the H3 chip is rumored to push things even further. Think of faster connectivity, improved battery management, and most importantly, far more powerful active noise cancellation. Imagine stepping into a noisy street, putting your AirPods in, and suddenly the chaos disappears into silence while your favorite song plays with perfect clarity. That's what Apple is aiming for here. And it's not just about blocking noise. Adaptive transparency is also expected to improve, meaning your AirPods will get even smarter at filtering important sounds, like voices or announcements, while reducing background distractions. It's the kind of everyday intelligence that makes these earbuds feel like an extension of your brain. Now let's get into the part that has people truly excited: health tracking. For years, the Apple Watch has been the center of Apple's health and fitness ecosystem. But now, Apple wants to extend that health monitoring into your ears. Multiple leaks suggest the AirPods Pro 3 could feature in-ear heart rate monitoring. That means instead of wearing a watch, you could just put on your AirPods, go for a run, and have them track your heart with accuracy that could even surpass wrist-based monitoring. And if that wasn't enough, there's also talk of a built-in temperature sensor. This isn't just for workouts. Imagine your earbuds noticing your body temperature rising before you even realize you're getting sick. Imagine parents being able to monitor their kids' health more easily. It's a small addition with massive real-world impact. And when you combine this with Apple Health integration, you can clearly see where Apple is heading, making AirPods not just an accessory, but a tool that quietly takes care of your well-being. But let's not stop there, because the most futuristic rumor of all is live translation. Yes, you heard that right. AirPods that can translate languages in real time. Imagine walking through the streets of Tokyo, Paris, or Istanbul. Someone speaks to you in a language you don't know, and instantly through your AirPods you hear the translation in your own language. This isn't just convenient, it's world-changing. It breaks down language barriers, brings people closer together, and could completely transform travel, business, and communication. Now, to be fair, the leaks say this feature might not be available at launch. Apple is apparently still working on the software, and it may come later with an update tied to iOS 26. But just the fact that Apple is building this into the AirPods Pro 3's future roadmap tells us how ambitious these earbuds really are. Of course, let's not forget the basics. At the end of the day, these are earbuds, and sound matters. Reports suggest Apple is upgrading the audio drivers to deliver richer bass, cleaner vocals, and a more immersive soundstage. Music will feel more alive. Podcasts will sound crisper. Movies will feel more cinematic. And when you pair that with the upgraded noise cancellation powered by the H3 chip, you're looking at the best sound experience Apple has ever put into AirPods. So when will all of this become reality? According to insiders, the big day is September 9, 2025. That's when Apple is expected to announce the AirPods Pro 3 at its major fall event, right alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. Pre-orders could begin just a few days later, on September 12th, and the official release date is rumored to be September 19th. That means we are closer than ever to seeing these in the real world. As for the price, most analysts believe Apple will keep it between $249 and $299 in the United States. Apple knows it has to strike a balance. Too high and people will hesitate. Too low and they risk cheapening the product. This price range keeps it premium, but still within reach for millions of people. Now comes the question every viewer wants answered. Should you upgrade? If you're using older AirPods, maybe the original AirPods Pro or even the standard AirPods, this is a no-brainer. The AirPods Pro 3 will be a massive leap forward in design, sound, features, and health tracking. But what if you already own the AirPods Pro 2? Well, that's where the decision gets interesting. If you're someone who loves the idea of health monitoring, if you want to be future-ready for live translation, and if you care about squeezing the absolute best sound out of your earbuds, then yes, the AirPods Pro 3 are worth it. But if you're satisfied with what you have, you might be able to hold off. Still, for many people, this will be the most tempting upgrade Apple has released in years. Think about it. A smaller and smarter design, a powerful new H3 chip, health tracking from your ears, and the promise of real-time translation in the near future. The AirPods Pro 3 aren't just another gadget. They're a window into the future of wearable technology, a future where your everyday devices do more than just entertain you. They actually take care of you and connect you to the world in ways we once thought impossible. So the only question left is, are you ready to be part of it? Will you be upgrading to the AirPods Pro 3, or are you sticking with your current pair? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's see what the community thinks. This is Smartphone Predictions, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Apple's most exciting earbuds yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next breakdown of the biggest tech stories shaping our world.